At Colorworks Express Autobody Centers, we provide cost-effective, friendly service that is rooted in our DNA. It's the cornerstone upon which we have built our business and our relationships. Our purpose is to restore our customers to the rhythm of their lives, giving them peace of mind. Our reason for being is to be the company that improves the image of the collision repair experience by providing fast, affordable auto collision repair with a touch of small-town values in every community we serve. The only way to achieve this is through our steadfast commitment to you. This means you can expect consistently high quality, accurate estimates, and on-time delivery at every Colorworks location. Here, there's a focus on earning and maintaining your trust through an open line of communication, and we keep a close eye on managing the overall cost of repairs and informing you of any changes. At the end of the day, our commitment is our promise to provide every customer with complete satisfaction. It's what drives us. The people you'll meet at Colorworks are the same people you'll meet in your local grocery store, your trip to the park, or the open house at your neighborhood school. Like you, they care about their community. We haven't forgotten who we are and bring those same values to the automotive collision repair experience. We bring a touch of small-town class to every repair. Trustworthy, knowledgeable, and familiar. These are the attributes that set us apart in the industry. We are a trusted friend in automotive collision repair. Colorworks Autobody Centers. You're good to go.